Hey everyone, welcome back to Nageny. Today we are going to dive into world of mathematics and learn how to solve linear equations. Understanding linear equation is crucial for building a strong foundation in math. So let's get started. In this video, we'll be solving equation 3 y minus 5 equals 10. Okay? Here is the equation we'll be working with today. This is the equation we'll be working with today. Our goal is to find the value of y. This is our goal, to find the value of y. To find the value of y. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, we want to isolate the term with variable, which is 3y. To do this, we will add 5 to both sides of equation. We are going to add 5 to both sides of equation. We're going to write 3y minus 5 plus, because what we are doing, we are adding 5 to both sides of equation. So we have added 5 to the left hand side and to the right hand side, which is 10 plus 5. Okay? Now let's simplify the equation. Negative 5 and positive 5 on the left side cancelled each other out, and we're going to left with 3y is equal to 15. Okay? Because here it has cancelled itself. We have remained with 3y, and here it goes 15, because 10 plus 5, that is 15. Step 3, to find the value of y, to find the value of y, we will divide both sides of equation by 3. So we're going to write 3y over 3 equals 15 over 3. To divide by, when we divide 3y, divide by 3, it's going to give us y equals, and then 3 divided by 15 is going to give us 5. So finally the answer is y equals 5. Sorry, that's the answer. It's y equals 5. Okay, we successfully solved the linear equation, which was 3y minus 5 is equal to 10, and the answer is y equals 5. To solve this kind of questions, you have to follow these steps. Step 1, we added 5 Okay, step 1, we added 5 to both sides. So we added 5 to this one, and then we added 5 to this side, to both sides. Then number 2, simplify the equation. What we did, we simplified the equation. That's number 2. Number 3, we divided the both sides by 3, which is here. And then number 4, simplify the equation to find the solution. We had now here the answer, y equals 5. That's the answer. So guys, remember, practicing makes perfect. So keep working on linear equations to strengthen your math skill. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, guys, for more education contents. So see you on the next video.